Hello beautiful people, happy holidays. Welcome back to Terry's Kitchen. On today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to fry sausages. Kindly watch the video to the end. On a heated oil, we're going to put the sausages. We're going to fry them on a medium heat. Make sure you keep on turning them so that they cook evenly. So we're going to fry them until they are nicely golden brown and well cooked. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye.